So let's talk about a 30-day launch plan to execute. Okay, you want to have a step-by-step plan on what to do. And this document is going to be in the eXp Realty channel in about 5 minutes after this meeting is over. So we don't have to go through it. I gave you a step-by-step process for the next 30 days to launch, which means to execute your plan, right? And so you'll have this step-by-step plan. All you have to do is follow it. And as you can see, it's a 5-page plan for you guys that are very detailed. Then I also put a quick launch in there. It requires you to do videos, right? It requires you to do videos. People watch videos. They don't. 80% of people who watch videos online do not listen to the sound. 80%. So that means you must have captions on your videos. You guys with me on that? You must have captions on your videos. So I'm going to do a demonstration for you because I want you to have something that you can take away and be able to see what I'm seeing. You guys doing okay?